software engineers, coders, programmers, welcome to the channels. Dev92 here. So we have an algorithm here. This is a C program that prints the alphabet in lowercase except the letters Q and E. So in this it's going to print the whole thing from A to Z, but excluding Q and E. And another neat feature about this algorithm, we're not using the printf to output to the console. We're going to use putchar. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So we have the standard input output that you have to include at the top. This is something that you must do so that you can enable printing out to the console. Then you're still going to use the main function, which is where majority of our operations will be. But as we move forward, as the program becomes bigger, we will move towards just creating functions and calling them in the main. But this one, you're just going to put the whole algorithm inside the main function because it's relatively simple. Then initialize, the letter, the variable letter. Then, as per the previous videos that you've made, to be able to print out the whole alphabet, you're going to use a for loop to iterate through it. So letter assigned to small a, and it should be less than or equal to small z, then the letter increment. Then inside that for loop, we're going to include an if statement that checks if the letter is Q or E, because in our algorithm you don't want to print Q or E. So we're going to put those two pipes to indicate an OR. Then if it's that one, we'll just say continue. So this one automatically skips it. Then the putchar letter there prints the whole alphabet without Q and E. So in this one, we're just checking to see if we can be able to exclude a couple of letters using some logic in there. In this case, we used an if, and this one enables it to become easier, because when you just want to skip on some letters, I found that this was actually one of the most efficient ways to do it. And we had the continue statement. So if you put the continue statement, that means if the letter is either Q and E, it just skips it and just continues to the next. So it just skips them. So even in the output, as you can see on the screen, you're seeing A, B, C, D, then where E is supposed to be is skipped, then go to F, then P, Q. You see between P and R is supposed to be P, Q, R, so there's no Q. So you can see even in the output, it's all good. Then we print it. We print with putchar to print a new line below. Then user return 0. So relatively fairly easy algorithm. And in the next videos, I'll be talking about more C algorithms as we just continue just increasing the complexity towards them. So this is just a simple algorithm to show how to use variables and conditionals, if else, and also using a bit of looping in there, so using the for loop. So if you guys like the video, make sure you leave feedback down in the comments on what you think, and I'm out. Peace.